$25 Pantry Stockup Challenge, week number 5 with Linda's Prepper Kitchen.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for stopping into my channel, Texas Country Wife. Today I am doing a $25 budget prepper pantry challenge with Linda's Prepper Kitchen as the host. This is what I got for my haul. I did this at Walmart, and I had a subtotal of $25.04, and after tax it came to $25.83. Now let me show you what I got. Okay, first off, my Walmart had these Chex cereals on sale. These are the great big family size for $3.50 each. And our tradition here at our home is to make Chex Mix to munch on Thanksgiving Day while the turkey is cooking. I wanted to make sure that I had that for my family this year, so I stocked up on that now. We haven't seen the wheat Chex on the shelves at the store here in months, so I definitely, I needed to make sure that we had that. Things are getting harder and harder to find, and I want to be able to keep my family traditions this year. And plus the price was fabulous for this cereal. And as we all know, nobody makes a generic wheat Chex. My Walmart didn't even have the great value rice or corn Chex. So I feel very fortunate that I was able to get these and get them on the shelf. And we will have them next month. Okay. I also, this year, a goal for me was to make sure that I got a case of jars every month. And in getting the jars, I am able to put food in them and put them on the shelf myself, and that is what I have been doing. This month, I was very fortunate in the fact that I was able to get these 8-ounce jelly jars. I love the Golden Harvest brand. They've never done me wrong. I've never lost a jar, broke a jar, cracked a jar. The seals always work. Never had any problems with them. I love them. I highly recommend Golden Harvest brand. Plus, for the price, you guys are going to flip. This was crazy. I got those for $7.36 at my Walmart. I'm feeling very blessed. Okay, I decided that, we're coming up on flu and cold season. That it would be a good idea to have a all-purpose cleaner with bleach in it for my house. I can spray down doorknobs, I can spray light switches, I can clean the bathrooms, I can clean the faucets, the sinks, so on and so forth, and keep everything sanitary this year. I love this stuff. I buy a bottle of that every year, so that's going on my shelf for when we need it. And I got that for... I'm looking at my notes. I got that for $2.24. Okay, next up, my 3 things, food items to put on the shelf. I got this caramel syrup. It was $1.98. And this is very versatile for a sweet. If SHTF, this for the price can go a very long way. You can put it on an apple, you can put it on a graham cracker, you can put it in powdered milk to make it taste better. You can put it in your coffee. I've just found so many uses for that caramel syrup, and I like to keep different flavored syrups on my shelf in the pantry. I didn't have one of those, so we're stocking up on that. Next month, we'll probably get chocolate syrup. Again, for the price, much cheaper than a bag of candy, and it goes a lot further. You only need like a teaspoon or a tablespoon to sweeten something up. Give your family a treat, if SHTF, so that you've got a little something sweet to, help along with the morale and all that. Okay, I was going through my pantry and realized that I do not have any more dill pickle relish. So I need to get stocked back up on that. We've used a lot this summer. We've eaten a lot of hot dogs through the summer and had a lot of tuna salad, which I put that in. And I got that dill relish for $1.24. And I'll get another one next month and the month after and so on and so forth to get that stocked back up in our pantry. I got this can of golden mushroom soup for $1.72. And I know you're wanting to know why I spent that high of a price on a can of mushroom soup when I could have gotten a generic. I make a meatloaf that my husband absolutely loves that I use this on. I have not made it for him in 2 years because of the price of that soup. His birthday is coming up and he loves that meatloaf. So I'm going to make him that meatloaf and surprise him with that. Unless he sees this video first, of course. But yeah, I got that to treat him for his birthday. So that will go on the shelf until the end of December when I can make him that meatloaf. All right. So that is everything that I got on this haul for $25.83. I forgot about the tax being on here until I got to the checkout. I figured for 83 cents, I'd bite the bullet on this one and go a little bit over because the prices were phenomenal. And these were things that we needed. Please stay tuned. There'll be another week 6 Prepper Pantry $25 challenge that I will also be participating in. Down below this video in my description box, I will have a link to Linda's Prepper Kitchen and the playlist for this collaboration. If you liked this video, will you please click on the like button for me? It really helps my channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos in the future.